What's up guys, and welcome back to yet another tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn off suggested posts for you on Facebook. So guys, a really simple way, and I'm gonna go through step-by-step tutorial and show you how you can turn off this option. So what you need to do is basically you need to go to your Facebook app. Then guys, what we need to do is go to these three lines in the upper right corner below Messenger icon. So when you click on it, you need to scroll down, as you can see, scroll down to the bottom and go to the settings. As you can see, we are having settings and privacy. You need to choose settings. So basically these are all of the settings on your Facebook that you can use. So basically we need to scroll down a bit. Basically we need to find the locations, which is in permission section. After we find out location, you just click on it and you need to turn off your location. How you can do it, basically, as you can see, mine is already turned off, but if yours is turned on, I can show you how you can turn it off easily. So when you press on it, you cannot turn off your location over here. You need to go to the device settings, and as you can see, Facebook has created a really useful shortcut. So go to device settings. Basically you need to choose, basically I am on Android, so you just click on Android settings. The same process is for iOS users. You just go to your device settings and turn off Facebook's permission to use your location. As you can see, permissions, I have not given any permissions to Facebook. So basically that is the way how you can turn off your location for Facebook. And basically guys, that is the way how you can turn off the permissions basically for location, and by doing so you are turning off the suggested posts for you. So guys, you're not gonna see those annoying posts on your Facebook any more longer. So basically guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.